where all your money goes each month. If you're broke, there's a good chance you're spending on things you don't even need. It's easy to fall into the trap of unnecessary expenses, but don't worry, we're here to help. We've carefully curated a list of 15 things that might be silently draining your wallet. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey of financial discovery. In this video, we're breaking down 17 things you should stop spending money on right now. First up, daily takeout coffee. It's no secret that your morning latte can be the culprit behind your thinning wallet. A typical cup of joe from your favorite coffee shop can cost about $5. Multiply that by every day of the year, and you're looking at an expense of over $1,800 annually. Switch to homemade coffee and watch your savings grow. Next, unused gym memberships. You know those costly monthly fees for a place you might not have visited in months? It's like sending your cash on a treadmill while you're sitting on the couch. Instead, consider home workouts or pay-per-use gyms. They're cost-effective, flexible, and they don't require a long-term commitment. If you're not going, stop paying. Third, subscription boxes. These monthly goodies may feel like Christmas every 4 weeks, but they can bleed your budget dry. Often you end up with items you didn't even want. The thrill of surprise is fun, but imagine the thrill of saving money instead. Consider buying items individually as you need them. This way you avoid the unnecessary clutter and spending. Remember, only buy what you need when you need it. The impulse online shopping trap. Next up, let's talk about impulse online shopping. The convenience and ease of online shopping can be a double-edged sword. It's great for getting what you need right to your doorstep, but it also makes it all too easy to click buy now on those items you don't necessarily need. These unplanned purchases, while seemingly small, can quickly add up and drain your budget. A smart move would be to set a budget specifically for online shopping and stick to it. Remember, every click counts. Avoid falling into the impulse online shopping trap and save that hard-earned money. The brand name products pitfall. Moving on to brand name products. These items often come with a higher price tag, not because they're necessarily of better quality, but because you're also paying for the brand name. Consider buying generic or store brand products to save money. They often offer the same quality and functionality at a fraction of the cost. Remember, you're buying the product, not the brand. Choose wisely and save on brand name products. Next, let's talk about frequent takeaways. It's easy to fall into the trap of ordering food online after a long day, but this convenience can quickly become a major drain on your budget. Why not consider cooking at home more often? Not only is it a money-saving move, but it's also generally healthier. Plan your meals in advance to avoid the temptation of takeaways. Remember, every time you resist that urge to order in, you're adding to your savings. Cut back on takeaways and watch your savings grow. Moving on to extended warranties. It can feel reassuring to have that extra coverage, but here's the thing. Extended warranties often cost more than they're worth. Before you add on that warranty, consider the value of the item and how likely you are to need the warranty. It might be more cost-effective to simply replace the item if it breaks. So next time you're tempted to purchase that extended warranty, think twice. It could be an unnecessary drain on your budget. Save your money and avoid falling into the extended warranty pitfall. Next up, let's discuss fast fashion. It's tempting to buy that trendy shirt or those stylish shoes. But remember, fast fashion items often have a short lifespan and end up in landfills. Instead, consider investing in quality pieces that will last longer. Not only will you save money in the long run, but you'll also do your part in reducing environmental waste. So the next time you're shopping, choose quality over quantity and steer clear of the fast fashion fiasco. Moving on to lottery tickets. We all dream of hitting the jackpot, but the odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low. It's easy to get caught up in the fantasy of instant wealth, but consider this. The money you regularly spend on lottery tickets could be put aside for a rainy day or invested wisely for a guaranteed return. So, save your money and avoid the lottery ticket trap. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Next, let's talk about designer accessories. These high-end products often come with a hefty price tag, but are they really worth it? Unlike investments, their value depreciates over time. Instead, consider buying high-quality, non-designer accessories that provide the same function and durability without the inflated cost. By doing so, you can save a significant amount of money over time. So, avoid falling into the designer accessories deception. It's not the brand that matters, it's the quality. Choose wisely and save on designer accessories. The alcohol abyss. Moving on to a subtler culprit, alcohol. Now, we're not suggesting you cut it out completely, but it's worth noting that alcohol can be a major drain on your budget. Whether it's a bottle of wine with dinner, a round of drinks with friends, or that high-end whiskey you love, these costs can add up quickly. Consider cutting back on alcohol to save money. Not only will this benefit your wallet, but it can also have positive impacts on your health. So, navigate away from the alcohol abyss. Cut back on alcohol and watch your savings and potentially your health improve. Next on our list, the smartphone upgrade Snare. It's tempting to always want the latest phone model, but have you ever stopped to consider the cost? Upgrading your phone every year or two can be a significant drain on your budget. Why not consider keeping your current phone a little longer? It's a simple way to save money. Avoid the upgrade trap, keep your phone longer, and watch your savings grow. Remember, you're not just buying a phone, you're buying peace of mind with financial stability. Moving on to another common money trap, premium gas. If your car doesn't require it, this can be a major drain on your budget. Premium gas can cost significantly more than regular gas, and the benefits for most cars are negligible. So, unless your car specifically requires premium gas, consider filling up with regular to save money. Avoid the premium gas pitfall, fill up with regular, and watch your savings soar. The journey towards financial stability doesn't have to be a rocky road. Use regular gas and save your money. Next on our list, let's talk about bottled water. It may seem like a small expense, but buying bottled water regularly can put a surprising dent in your budget. Not only is it costly over time, but it also contributes to environmental waste. A more economical and eco-friendly alternative is to invest in a reusable water bottle. Fill it up at home or at public water fountains and save both your money and the environment. Dodge the bottled water blunder, opt for a reusable bottle, and watch your savings and eco-credentials grow. Every drop counts, both in your wallet and the world. Choose reusable water bottles and save your money. Finally, let's move into the kitchen and talk about the kitchen gadget Gaffe. How many times have you bought a kitchen gadget, used it once, and then left it to gather dust? These unused devices not only clutter your kitchen, but also drain your wallet. From avocado slicers to egg separators, these gadgets may seem handy, but how often do you really use them? Before splurging on these fancy gadgets, consider if you really need them. A clutter-free kitchen is a happy kitchen, so avoid the kitchen gadget Gaffe. Buy only what you need and save your money and your kitchen space. So, there you have it. 15 ways you might be wasting money without even realizing it. It's time to reassess and improve your spending habits. Start small. Even dropping 2 or 3 of these habits can change your bank account. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your money. Which one are you guilty of? Let us know below.